Hello guys, welcome back to TechLock YouTube channel. Today I'll show you by clicking screen two times it will lock your phone. Most of the Android phones you need to click the power button. It will lock your screen, or maybe sometimes you people using sleep time 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute, half minutes. Uh, if you are regularly using power button means you need to push and it will once not going to work in later days, not in previous days means if you buy a new phone means for 2 3 years it's okay, after 4 years it will start to not work properly the power button. How we can stop that? This is one of the method for locking. If you are using power button means kindly use this method. By clicking screen two times it will turn off. This is apply for all Android users. For that you need to install one Android app. So go to Play Store and search screen lock. Guys, first for our sponsored content, go with that. Here see screen off and lock. Just below 1 MB only, so kindly install it, guys. Right? It asking some confirmation. Click accept. Oh my god. Open. It asking permissions. So continue and okay and okay. Guys, this app won't delete anything and won't collect any data. So kindly accept all the things. Then open. Guys, actually I opened that app. That app automatically turn off my screen. So video recording was stopped. After installing, after accepting everything, go to menu and long press and move it to the home screen. If you click this means it will turn off your screen. If I do means it will turn off also, it will stop screen recording. So if you guys try it and let me know in comment section. For more videos, actually I told double tap option also there, but I think in this app they are not provided. But try with this, guys. If you like it means gives me thumbs up, share with your friends. If you know any other app means please let me know in comment section. Bye bye, guys. uh, in our Twitter account we regularly posting tech related info content. For tech related contents kindly follow our Twitter account techlock. Bye bye, guys.